Faux wooden blinds are a great way of precisely controlling the amount of light that comes into a room, as well as adding a touch of style and luxury to your window. Our unique faux wooden slats look and feel just like the real thing, but they're made from a hard-wearing polymer, making them virtually indestructible and waterproof. Ideal then for kitchens and bathrooms. Infinitely controllable and effortlessly stylish, faux wooden blinds are perfect for rooms that have light levels that change at different times throughout the year. They have their traditional up and down state, as well as an angle or pitch to each of the individual slats. This makes controlling the amount and also the direction of light coming into a room far more precise. Our blinds are available in a huge range of colours and stains, all tailored to perfectly fit any room in your home. Whether you're simply looking for a neutral, functional blind or fancy adding a stylish design statement to your room, these blinds are reliable, hard-wearing and very easy to clean, making them perfect for your busy home. In fact, we're so proud of our blinds, they come to you with a 3-year guarantee as standard. All of our blinds come supplied with every mounting bracket and safety device that you'll need. All you need to supply are the screws and wall plugs suitable for the surface that you're going to attach your blind to. And don't forget, all of our blinds are child safe by design and tested to meet the strict regulations outlined in both the British and European safety standards. When you've selected the blind that you want, don't forget to watch our measuring and fitting videos to help you with ordering and fitting your brand new blind.